Mr. Luckich, when you had made that 911 call, you indicated that you went to a property behind the Mateos graphic, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Where did you go after you made that 911 call?
I stayed at 160 Hunter Boulevard until the officers called me back over to 2309 Hancock because they could not find him in the building. So I walked through the building with them to kind of show them some nooks and crannies that he could have been. And from there on throughout the day into the later hours, I was at Hancock with the officers.
And Mr. Wilson was nowhere to be found, is that correct?
No.
Did you know where he went?
No.
Okay. Do you see Mr. Wilson here in the courtroom today?
Yes.
Would you please point him out and describe an article of clothing that he's wearing?
He's right there in the blue jacket.
Judge, let the record reflect Mr. Luckich is identified, Mr. Wilson.
Okay.
And did everything you testified to occur here in Lee County, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I have no further questions at this time.
Mr. Luckich, we saw the video. Am I pronouncing that correctly?
Yeah.
Okay. We saw the video of him getting out of a car. He went in through a door. Is that the entrance to your business?
To that building business, yeah.
Or are there multiple entrances?
There's multiple entrances, yeah.
You described him as, let me ask you something. How well did you know Mr. Wilson?
I didn't know him very well. He was an employee at a friend of mine, marina in Conch Key, and
Down in the Keys?
down in the Keys, and I've only met him maybe a handful of times before that.
Let me ask you, if you were acquaintances, why would he go to you to get money for a ticket or a plane?
I have no idea.
You said that there were just the two of you. Wasn't there a third employee in the building?
No.
You said he was frantic. Could you describe that more?
He was pacing around,
Kind of manic?
getting back and forth close to my person, and needing a ticket, any kind of ticket, bus ticket, money, or anything. And I told him I couldn't help him.
Okay. And did he lash out at you when you said you couldn't help him?
No.
You said he was talking crazy. What did you mean?
Crazy as far as, no, you don't understand, Josh, I killed people last night.
Did he say he stabbed those people?
I don't recall.
Did he ever work for you?
No.
During the 911 call, there was no mention of him being covered in blood. Did you leave that out?
I don't remember.
But the 911 call would be the best.
To refer.
Right.
Sure.
Okay. May I have a moment, Judge?
You may.
Goes with either of those videos?
I wouldn't, I don't know if the audio is with it, no.
This is your video system, security system, right?
Right.
You don't know if it records sound?
No, I don't.
How long have you been in that location?
That video system was actually taken from a tenant's video system, wanted dead or alive, on my property.
I'm sorry, explain that again?
The tenant
Yeah?
from the building that we were renting to, it was wanted dead or alive. It was in the 911 call.
All right. That was the towing company?
Right.
All right. Did Mr. Wilson live at your condominium?
No, he did not live there.
Did he visit there?
He has maybe been there once or twice before that.
And what, he stayed maybe a week or 2 weeks or?
Not at my property, no.
Nothing further, Judge.
All right. Can you redirect?
Briefly, Judge.
Mr. Luckich, when you described Mr. Wilson talking crazy, was that because of what he was telling you or how he was telling it to you?
It's pretty crazy what he was telling me.
Thank you. No further questions, Judge.
Yeah.
No,
All right.
no recross.
You may step down, sir.
We're going to ask that he be excused.